Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I want to tell you why so many people are having vision problems, despite spending a lot of money and taking a lot of different medications. Stay with me until the end to understand why. Please, don't believe any information you receive here. So that you don't fall victim to any misinformation, I left all the references and sources in the description of this video and pinned it to the first comment. This ensures that you get reliable information. Click on the link below to check all the complete article and avoid fakes. Thank you for watching. Let's go to the video. Vision is a crucial sense that allows us to perceive and interact with the world around us. The health of our eyes plays a significant role in maintaining optimal vision. Various factors, such as age, genetics, and lifestyle choices, can impact eye health and lead to issues like blurry vision or other visual impairments. However, there are ways to improve and maintain good eye health, including engaging in eye exercises, seeking proper eye care, and adopting a nutritious diet for eye health and vision. Blurry vision is a common problem that can arise due to several reasons, such as refractive errors, eye strain, or underlying health conditions. It refers to a visual perception in which objects appear hazy or out of focus. Eye exercises specifically designed to improve vision can be an effective approach to address blurry vision. These exercises often involve eye movements, focusing techniques, and eye muscle strengthening exercises. By regularly practicing these exercises, individuals can strengthen their eye muscles and enhance visual acuity. Improving vision goes beyond addressing blurry vision. It encompasses maintaining overall eye health and clarity of sight. Blurred vision, similar to blurry vision, refers to a loss of sharpness in vision, where objects appear unclear or fuzzy. It can be caused by factors such as refractive errors, cataracts, glaucoma, or even dry eyes. Eye exercises tailored to address blurred vision can help strengthen the eye muscles and improve the ability to focus, leading to sharper and clearer vision. The field of vision therapy focuses on improving visual function through a series of exercises and activities. It aims to treat various visual problems such as lazy eye coordination issues, and difficulties with depth perception. Vision therapy programs are often customized to individual needs and may involve exercises to enhance eye movement control, eye-hand coordination, and visual perception skills. Engaging in vision therapy can be beneficial in improving overall vision and enhancing visual skills. In some cases, vision problems may require professional intervention, such as eye surgery, to achieve better vision. Eye surgery can be performed to correct refractive errors like myopia, hyperopia, or astigmatism. These surgical procedures, such as LASIK or PRK, reshape the cornea to improve its focusing ability, resulting in clearer vision without the need for corrective lenses. However, it is important to consult with an eye care professional to determine the suitability and potential risks associated with eye surgery. Maintaining good eye health also involves adopting proper eye care habits and seeking regular eye examinations. Eye care practices include protecting the eyes from harmful ultraviolet radiation by wearing sunglasses, maintaining proper hygiene to prevent eye infections, and giving the eyes regular breaks during prolonged screen time to reduce eye strain. Regular eye exams allow eye care professionals to detect and manage any underlying eye conditions, ensuring early intervention and treatment if necessary. While exercise and eye care are vital, nutrition also plays a significant role in maintaining optimal eye health and vision. Consuming a balanced diet rich in nutrients can support healthy eyes. Some foods that promote eye health and vision include leafy greens like spinach and kale, which are high in antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants help protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon and walnuts, can contribute to good eye health. In conclusion, taking care of our eyes and improving vision requires a multifaceted approach. Engaging in eye exercises, specifically designed to address issues like blurry or blurred vision, can help strengthen the eye muscles and enhance visual acuity. Seeking regular eye care, including eye examinations and adopting proper eye care habits, is essential in maintaining good eye health. In some cases, eye surgery may be necessary to achieve better vision. Lastly, maintaining a nutritious diet that includes foods beneficial for eye health, such as leafy greens and omega-3 rich foods, can support overall eye health and optimal vision. Thank you for watching this video. Click in the link below for more information. Big hug, and until next time.